Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am Mary France, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I did my rice water for hair growth. So I've been seeing a lot of people make this type of videos and claiming how their hair have grown in like 2 weeks, 1 week. Like, I don't really know about that, but I know that rice water is really good for you. Like, rice has some good amino acid, some antioxidant, and some vitamin, protein that's good for your hair. So I tried my rice water for my hair. So like, for me, it's not necessarily for hair growth, but for healthy hair. And I know like it takes times and repetition to see result, but I'm gonna show you what I did to prep for my rice water, so stay tuned. So I started off by washing my rice. I got 1 cup of rice because I think that's enough. Even half of that, you can use it. So I washed it just to make sure that I gotten out all the residues that comes in the bag, from the manufacturer, and I just make sure to rinse it the second time so that it's nice and clean. And then since I used 1 cup of rice, I also got 1 cup of water to like mix it in, and then I just like kind of like grinded my rice to make to have it become more effective by like having it so quickly. I see some people like blend their rice just so it's become more effective, but I didn't do it, and I wish I did, because this rice is different. It's like jasmine rice, and it was so hard to like grind it with my hand. So after all of that was done, I put it in my messengers to have it fermented for the next 24 hours. So I just seal it in so that the air doesn't come out, and I put it under in the kitchen cabinet so that it's nice and cool. So the next day, after about 24 hours, I take out my water bottle so that I can put it in the bottle and have it ready to spray in my hair. So just my regular water bottle that for salon care water bottle that I got from Amazon, and put my water in there, and I was ready to start washing my hair. So here I am now ready. I just freshly washed my hair with some sheer moisture shampoo, and then I'm spraying my water bottle just to make sure it's everywhere, it's saturated, it's all over my hair, and I just finger comb through to make sure that it's all nice and into my hair evenly so that I can have the good result effectively. And I just like brush it all around with my fingers, like finger comb through, to just make sure that it's all nice, and add more as needed. And also I went in with my deep conditioner. So instead of just like having the rice water by itself sitting and then deep condition later, I didn't really feel like I had a time to do those two separate things. So I combined my rice water and my deep condition, which you have to deep condition your hair anyways, because rice water can be a little harsh on your hair, so you have to make sure that your hair is soft and conditioned. So I use my sheer moisture deep treatment mask, and I just like make sure that it's all in my hair, properly saturated in my hair. I then went into with my wide tooth comb to make sure everything is detangled and nicely saturated and conditioned. So I just part my hair into 4 sections, and I do the twist so that they're in place while I'm conditioning them. After all of this is done, I went ahead and put it under my deep conditioning cap, which I had to put in the microwave for 1 minute. And I conditioned my hair for like 45 minutes, and I think that was enough and effective. The heat cap was too warm enough. Now my hair is freshly conditioned and washed. It's like very soft. The rice water plus the deep condition, like very soft. I hope you like my rice water video. So I don't know, I don't really know. Like I said, for me it's more for healthy hair than hair growth. Like my hair is different length, so like I don't know. So I'm gonna have to like make a follow-up video to see if my hair has been any difference, but what I noticed is that my hair is like really soft and feels healthy. You know, I did mix it with deep condition, but yeah. So let me know what you think about this rice water. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.